You guys voted for the DYU D3F e-bike to be reviewed and it's here. Nicely packed up to avoid any damages. Before we set up the e-bike, let's look at the specifications. Now on the DYU website there are other e-bikes models to choose from. The DYU D3F has been a popular model due to its versatile design. You can grab it for less than £500. You got 14-inch wheels, can be folded and carried. And don't worry guys, this e-bike is legal in the UK. Packed with a 250 watt brushless motor, 36 volt 10 amp built-in rechargeable battery. I'm over 6 foot guys and I can honestly say I can ride this with great comfort. Front and rear dual disc brakes. The frame is made out of metal, weighs around 38 pounds. Max speed is 15.5 miles per hour. The range is around 15 to 35 miles depending upon how you ride. Gives you more mileage in pedal assist mode. Charge time roughly 5 to 6 hours. Overall there has been positive reviews on this e-bike. So I guess it's time to test this out for myself. There's no tax, license or insurance you require to ride one of these. Right, so in the box there's an instruction manual with some tools and a rear light. Rear tyre mudguard. Small 3-pin power cable that you can easily fit in your backpack. Left and right pedals. And a soft adjustable seat. So that's all the parts, let's fit them on. Having a kickstand on your bike is a must. This e-bike only has one gear when pedaling. Slot in the seat. Make sure the nut is tightened up so the lever can grip the pole. Easily can be adjusted. Screw in the pedals and tighten them up with the spanner provided. Undo this nut with the Allen key provided. Apply the mudguard and then screw back in the nut. Attach this light at the back. There's 3 modes to it: fast flash, slow flash and solid. Now this is the part where you can fold and unfold. Lift up the handlebar. You can see that there is a latch mechanism that you can release to fold or close in place, ready to ride. Hold down on the power button. On the LCD screen you will see the battery bar levels. Open this latch to adjust the handlebar. Your right handlebar is to accelerate, just like a motorbike. Hold down on this button to switch on the front LED light. You got your battery charge port here. All wires are tucked away nicely. Make sure your tyres are pumped up. Look how small this e-bike looks. If you're storing in your home, it will definitely take less space. Can easily be stored in the boot of your car too. Check this out guys, so this is the bike here. Start for a test ride. Now my previous electric bike video that I rode on was a Gen-X that was more of a robust mountain bike style, while this DYU e-bike is more compact for travelling around the city, work and around the local places. To get going, simply make sure the kickstand is up. Turn on the power and turn the right bar to accelerate. Simple as that guys. It's quite a smooth ride this is. Kind of like it man, this is awesome this is. On this road. Personally myself, I would recommend you guys getting an e-bike than riding on one of those electric scooters. E-bikes tend to have more control, stability and a comfortable ride than electric scooters. That's my personal opinion, you guys are the judge. Invest in the DYU e-bike, avoid all that traffic, get where you want to be on time and enjoy the ride. I'll leave a link below if you're interested in purchasing. Stay safe, ride safe, peace.